Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I have the Twinkle Claws July monthly subscription. So here is my invoice. I'm not sure if you really give a shite about it, but £10, free shipping. It does say first class, but it comes second class. I absolutely love these monthly subscriptions. I'm a really big fan of Twinkle Claws glitters. So let's get into this. Put this to the side. So we have, oh wow, these are very pretty. Right, you always get some exclusives, so I will show you. I'll show you the exclusives after. So this one is called Lemon Drizzle. These are circles. I see some the majority of them are circles, but there are some hexagons in there. This is really pretty. I never used to like the circles, but I really like them. Then we have Neon Rave. I've got so much of these neon glitters. I will more than likely put this into a giveaway. I have this giveaway box that is just growing by the day. I haven't done a giveaway for a long time, so there should be one coming soon. This is really pretty. This is like a metallic called Dragon Fruit. Really like that. That's a fine glitter. Very, very pretty. Then Jade City. Oh, this is lovely. This is really, really pretty. Some holographic. It's like yeah, it's like this one. The Dragon Fruit. Like it's metallic, but it's got some like fine holographic in there. Don't know if you'll see that, but that's very, very pretty. And then we have a July exclusive one. So, oh, there's triangles. Some triangles, and then some circles. And there's even squares. Put some squares in there as well. This is really nice. Not gonna lie, I personally don't like these purple strands in it. If it didn't have the strands in it, that'd be bloody gorgeous. Yeah, fortunately I don't like them strands. I'm sorry. Then we have July exclusive 2. This one is really, really pretty. So there's some stars in there, blue and pink stars. And it's got these what are they called? I've just broken out all that. Like these iridescent hexagons, and it's got like these little indentation. I don't know if you're gonna see. Yeah, they're like little dots in it. I really like that one. Oops. And then we have July exclusive 3. This one's got them little strands in it. So these are purple, these are like that cerise, but these ones are really, really small. Oh my god, look at them. There's some diamonds, tiny, tiny little diamonds. That's pretty. That's really, really pretty. And then lastly, I got Unicorn Flakes number 12. I've got a fair few of, I'll show you in a minute. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the holographic. That's very, very pretty. And then I got Sweetie. I absolutely love these. Lime chocolates. Oh. Can't. Like these ones. These are all from Twinkle Claws. Unicorn Flakes. Oh, I've got it. Hang on. So this is my Unicorn Flakes 12, which looks like that, and then that says Unicorn Flakes 12. How odd. I will have to look on the website because I think there has been a mistake, but that is the 12. I absolutely love Twinkle Claws. I found them a while ago on Instagram, and I have been getting them for a good few months now. I love the monthly subscription. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes, I think maybe twice, I've had doubles, which is okay because I've always you know, given them to someone or put them in my giveaway box. But this month I don't have any of these, and these ones here, these 3 at the bottom, are the actual July exclusive, so I definitely don't have those. But I think this July exclusive 2 is my favourite. That's very, very pretty. So I will leave all links down below. She is on Instagram. I'm not sure she's on Facebook. Does it say on the invoice? No. Don't know if she's on Facebook, so maybe, I don't know, have a look. But yeah, definitely on Facebook, and I'll leave, not Facebook, sorry, Instagram. I will also leave their website link down below. She's got amazing glitters. I've got a folder dedicated to her. I've got so many. And these flakes are bloody stunning. Love them. So £10 a month, free shipping. Yeah, I love it a lot. Right, I am off. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll be doing my daughter's nails maybe today. She's been asking me for the past few days, but I just haven't been well. So expect a video of me doing my daughter's nails. So that'll be exciting. I haven't done someone else's nails for quite a while now, so that should be fun. I really need to, I was going to do a video on these nails, but I don't know, I just didn't. And I was in Sainsbury's shopping, somehow that snapped. So yes, so expect a video, a nail video, because I know I haven't done one for a very long time. It seems these days just my it seems these days that I'm just putting up hauls, so it'll be a nice change for you. So yeah, hope you're all doing well. Yeah, so that's it. I will leave you. Thank you again for watching, for supporting me, for subscribing. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.